In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back in history using Git checkout in GitHub Desktop. We'll walk through how to view your project's past, undo a specific change, and temporarily move your working directory to an exact point in time, all within the GitHub Desktop app. Start by opening GitHub Desktop and making sure the repository you want to work with is selected. If you have multiple repositories, use the repository switcher at the top to choose the correct one. Once you're in, look toward the top of the window and click the History tab. This view shows a timeline of commits with the most recent at the top. Each entry represents a snapshot of your project at that moment, along with a message describing what changed. Find the commit you want to act on. You can scroll, scan the messages, or use the search bar to narrow results. When you found the right commit, right-click it. This opens a context menu of actions for that specific snapshot. To undo what a particular commit introduced, click Revert Changes and Commit. This doesn't delete history. Instead, it creates a new commit that applies the inverse of those changes, effectively rolling them back while keeping your timeline intact. It's a safe and transparent way to correct mistakes. After the revert is created, review the changes in the Changes tab to confirm they align with your intent, and then commit if prompted. This keeps your main line of development clean and auditable. Now, if your goal is to examine exactly how the project looked at a past point in time, return to the History tab, right-click the desired commit again, and select Checkout Commit. This action tells GitHub Desktop to switch your working directory to that specific snapshot. You'll see a clear notice that you're viewing a past commit. This state is useful for inspecting files, testing behavior, or comparing configurations as they existed then. Be aware that checking out a commit places you in a detached state intended for exploration. It's perfect for reading code, running builds, or confirming when an issue first appeared. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Checkout to proceed. GitHub Desktop will switch your files to match that commit, and you can browse the repository exactly as it was. When you're finished exploring, you can return to your usual branch by switching back in the branch selector at the top of the app. That's it. Using the history view, Revert preserves a clean record while undoing a change, and Checkout lets you travel back to any commit for quick investigation.